Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Hi, how you guys doing? Today is Vlogmas, day 1. Now, I wasn't gonna do Vlogmas, I ain't gonna lie, because I was like, you know what? Don't nobody want to see me Vlogmas. You know what? Can't think about the negative, you gotta think positive. So on Vlogmas, day 1, December 1st, I went to The Price is Right. I had so much fun. So let me show you what I did to get ready for Vlogmas by making my dress and the actual event. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. On our way to The Price is Right. Can't wait to see if the price is really right. So when we got there, the line wasn't that long. It was a little nippy out. And we didn't even have no jackets, but at least the shirts was long sleeve. But after we got in line, we got our tags. I got mine. YOLO, you only live once. And the inside, it was a vibe. It was such a vibe. I had such a good time. Man, I was recording, and then it was like, ma'am, you can't record in here. So that cut that footage. So I'm going to show you the little bit I did. And then I used my Cricut machine and a black t-shirt that I bought from Walmart and cut out inflation, pick me to come on down. So just cut it out with the Cricut machine, weeded it out, and then ironed it onto my shirt. And I was like, you know what? Instead of a shirt, I should make it a dress. So I grabbed some fabric, and then I added the fabric onto the shirt. So it made it a dress. Yeah, I think the dress turned out pretty cute. It's different, that's for sure. This is my sister Jazz. She went with me to The Price is Right. We had a ball. When I tell you the food was so good, oh my God, it was so good. And all we had was a grilled cheese. But when I tell you, I felt like that was the best grilled cheese I ever had in my life. It was so good. I don't know if I was just hungry, but Jazz said it was good too. So, anywho, this was my experience at The Price is Right Live. For day 2 of Vlogmas, we're going to DIY some Hennessy. How do you DIY Hennessy? Let me show you. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take a bottle of Hennessy, your drink of choice. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take a bottle of Hennessy. So I took a little bit of tulle and I made a tutu out of the little dog outfit that I got from Dollar Tree. You know I have to be a little extra. I was channeling my Miss Claus era. You know, Miss Claus needed a new outfit for Christmas this year, 2024. Miss Claus. So this is the Miss Claus tutu. You know I love a tutu. You know I love a tutu. Yep. So this is the DIY. You just take this to somebody's house for the holiday season and say, anybody thirsty? What do you think? Is it too new for you? I think so. Thank you so much for being here and watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.